Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title to this video suggests, we're going to be talking about the Smart Visa again, specifically within the context of BOI and the sort of targeted areas associated with the industrial sectors that are being targeted for both Smart Visa issuance as well as being targeted for being brought into Thailand. The certain kinds of industries that they're trying to for lack of a better term, entice to come to the kingdom and operate. A couple of things. I'm quoting directly from a flyer from BOI, which discusses the Smart Visa directly. So when asked, what is the Smart Visa, I'll just quote directly from this handout. The Smart Visa is a new type of visa designed to attract highly skilled manpower and investors to help accelerate the development of the country's targeted industries. Smart Visa is offered to foreign experts, executives, entrepreneurs, and investors who wish to enter the Kingdom of Thailand to work or to invest in the following, quote-unquote, 10 S-curve industries or the country's targeted industries, okay? So first thing to keep in mind with respect to this is those entrepreneurs, executives, etc. We've done a number of videos on this channel which go in and target those specific visa categories and provide some information about those specifically. So check that out depending on what category you fit under. With respect to this 10 S-curve industry issue, what are these targeted industries? Well, they are next generation automotive, smart electronics, affluent medical and wellness tourism, agriculture and biotechnology, food for the future, automation and robotics, aviation and logistics, biofuels and biochemicals, digital and medical hub. So those are the 10 that they're looking to bring in. They're looking to encourage this type of business activity. As previously discussed in discussing the Smart Visa categories, the company that's sponsoring the Smart Visa holder has to be certified as being in one of these specific industries before the individual involved who's seeking the Smart Visa can go ahead and get that Smart Visa. That individual also has to be certified, so there's an adjudication process associated with the visa itself. One thing to take away from this video, and something that I don't think I've quite made clear enough based on the questions I've had since we made the prior videos, is there needs to be an underlying company. These Smart Visas aren't just issued to the individual. They're issued as sort of a benefit of certification of an underlying company. So if an individual wishes to get one of these visas, they either need to be affiliated with a company that's doing this type of thing in Thailand or wishes to do this type of thing in Thailand. Moreover, those who wish to come here and sort of do it themselves, and entrepreneurs are very, very encouraged under this program, as can be seen by the fact that the startups and entrepreneurs are granted their own visa categories. They still need to set up a structure here in the kingdom. It's not a matter of just getting the visa. The visa is sort of concomitant with having an overall operation here in the kingdom. And that operation has to fit within the framework of one of these 10 sort of sought-after industries or sought-after sectors that they're looking to encourage here in the kingdom. So the thing to take away from this video is, first of all, it's not just a standalone visa. It's associated with an underlying concern. Furthermore, the underlying concern, the underlying business needs to fit within one of these categories, and that the fact that it fits within one of these categories has to be certified by various agencies involved with this overall process, as well as probably BOI, in order for the company to even be eligible to apply for Smart Visas for individuals associated with the company. Then the individual can go ahead and apply, and then their qualifications and their credentials are going to be scrutinized. And once that scrutiny is done with, an adjudication is made as to whether or not they're qualified. And then at that point, it will be possible to go ahead and apply for and receive presumably, possibly, a 4-year Smart Visa pursuant to these new regulations. Again, we're playing this a little bit more by ear than I usually like to, because this is a fairly new framework. This is not something we've seen in the past. It only came about this month, February 2018. We've discussed it at length for about 6 months. It's finally coming to fruition, but the framework itself is somewhat misunderstood by folks that I've gotten questions from since I made the last video. So hopefully this will provide a little more clarity.